Hi you guys, welcome to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are going to be doing some yoga. All right, so let's get started. Grab your mat, put on your yoga clothes, and let's do this. All right, so get into a nice comfortable seated position. Sit down. And you can close your eyes and just listen to the nature sounds. And you can breathe in and breathe out. And breathe in, breathe out. All right, so today's practice is going to be yoga for balance. So we're going to do a couple of yoga balancing poses today. All right, let's get started. So you're going to stand here, and then you're going to lift your knee up, and you're just going to balance. All right, so sometimes it's good to look at a point and just pay attention to that point, and before you know it, you're balancing. And you can put your hands like this, and you're going to breathe in, you're going to breathe out, you're going to breathe in, and you're going to breathe out. All right, now it's time to do the other side. You're going to breathe in, you're going to breathe out, you're going to breathe in, you breathe out. All right. So next, you are going to do a forward fold. And before we do that, we're going to lift up our arms. Lift them down. Warm them up a little bit. All right. So then we're going to bend. And you could be like this, or you can be like this. All right. So next, you're going to get into half warrior. You can get into warrior. You're going to get your lunge. And then you're going to put your right arm through your left. Your right leg, I mean. You're going to sew it through. All right. Then you're going to get up. You're going to stretch on out and go to the other side. So left leg out, bend, and sew it through. All right. So now let's get into warrior two. Go like this. Lift your arm up. And then we'll go to the other side. All right. Then we're going to get into eagle arms. So twist your arms like that, and then twist your legs. You're going to breathe in. You're going to breathe out. You're going to breathe in. And then out. Then you're going to switch to the other side. So we're going to do a couple of breaths on this side too. Breathe in and out. All right. So now we're going to get into tree pose. So with tree pose is cool because you can be like right here. You can have a little tree. Or you could be like a big tree, you know. Or you could be like this, like I do. And then you can rock around like these falling leaves are. And then you're going to switch over to the other side. Now, if you're really feeling adventurous, you can have it all the way up here, but I'm not even there yet. So, and I am studying to become a yoga teacher, just to let you know. And I need lots of practice, so why not do it on this channel? And I do like yoga, and I feel like it helps me to relax. All right. So now we're going to get onto the ground. Reach up. Reach down. All right. Now we're going to get into forward fold. Reach down. And then we're going to walk into downward facing dog. And then we're just going to paddle this out for a little bit. Warm up those leg muscles. All right. And child's pose. I'm going to do a quick cool down. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right. Now, if you want, you could sit here and meditate, or you can lay down into a corpse pose and meditate as well. So, breathe in. Breathe out. Enjoy the nature sounds. Breathe in. Breathe out. All right. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to come back and check out next week's video. All right. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below if any of this helped you. And if you have any questions for me, please put that in the description below. Bye for now.